So if you want to fix your PlayStation verification code not sending, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first, you may want to check your internet connection. So start by making sure your phone or and your PlayStation account both have stable connection. Now, a weak signal can delay or block verification messages entirely. So check that first. So next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just confirm your phone number or email is correct. Well, you want to go to your PlayStation account management page if you can and double check the contact info you're using. Now, even one incorrect digit or letter can stop the code from arriving, so double check that. Next is you may want to refresh your inbox or messaging app here. Now, sometimes the code is sent, but your device doesn't update immediately, so close and reopen your messages or email app, or switch to airplane mode for a moment and turn it off again, or to force a refresh. Now, also look for block or filter messages here. So, carrier filters like spam folders or message blocks by hide verification codes. In this case, you may want to check your spam or junk folders, so your message block settings and any spam protection apps that your phone might be using. And also request the code again after waiting for a bit here. So PlayStation limits how many times you can request a code quickly. So wait a minute or two, then tap resend code. Now spamming the button can actually delay things even more. And also, if nothing is coming through, plug in using a backup method like your backup codes or temporarily disable two-step verification through the PlayStation website. So if you're already logged in somewhere, but once you regain access, you can update your info and turn it back on. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.